Hi students, now let us see the theory part on the operators concept. Okay, what is mean by operator? These operators are special symbols, special characters which performs a particular operation. Okay, so these operators, where they perform operation, they perform operations on constants and variables. Okay, what are the constants? Like 2 minus 5, 2.7, etc. All these are the constants which we cannot change it. Variable is nothing but a like x comma y, etc., where we can assign the different values to these variables during the execution of the program. Okay, fine. And operands. So if I write simply expression like x plus y, like c equal to x plus y, here this equal, plus and semicolon, these are operators. Okay, whereas c, x and y, these are called operands. Okay, they may be constants or variables. Okay, so here there is an example c equal to a plus b. Here the plus equal are operators, whereas the c comma a comma 10 are operands. Okay, in C there the different types of the operators are available. Okay, they are classified into mainly these three types. One is unary operators, let's see. So one is unary operators, and second one is binary operators, and third one is ternary operator. Okay, what is meant by this unary? Means one. So to perform the operation with the help of these operators, which requires only one operand. Okay, whereas the binary means two, so which requires two operands. Okay, so what are the examples for the unary operators? This plus plus, minus minus, these are the examples for the unary operators. And I can say the logical and logical not, and as well as one's complement operator. Okay, these are also comes under the unary operators. Next, binary operators are, what are the examples for the binary operators? Arithmetic operators are there. So under this, these are the symbols we have: plus, minus, star, asterisk, forward slash, and positive modulus operator. Then logical operators, then relational operators, these symbols, bitwise operators, and assignment operators. These assignment operators are also known as shorthand operators. Okay, so along, and the third one is ternary or conditional operator. This question mark and the colon symbol is called a ternary or conditional operators. And along with this, we have the few special operators are also there. They are, one is size of operator, next dot period operator, next reference operator, this arrow. Okay, so let us see these all these operators one by one. This is the overall classification. Okay, fine. So let's see the first one, arithmetic operators. So in arithmetic operators, this plus indicates the addition, the minus symbol indicates for the subtraction, and asterisk is for multiplication, forward slash is for the division, okay, which gives the coefficient, and the percentage is for, it's called a modulus operator. This is for remainder. Okay, So if I write 5 by 2, then the result is 2. Okay, coefficient. If I write 5 percentage 2, then what is the remainder? Remainder is the 1. Okay. So these operators, whatever you write down some expression, that value will be returned. All these arithmetic operators. Okay. Finally, you get some value here. So we will see the programming examples in the programming concept, programming videos on each and every operator. Just see in this video only the theory part related to all these operators. Next type of operators are relational operators. What this relational operator says, which gives the relation between the two operands. Okay, that's why we all these call it as a binary operators. So x less than y can be written using this symbol like this. So whenever this condition is the true, okay, then all these relational operators returns true if expression is true, or returns false. Okay, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, double equal to, and not equal to. Okay, see, x equal to y, this is called assignment operator. Okay, means I pass the value of this y, I store the value of the y inside the x. But if I write x double equal to y, what is this one? This is nothing but a comparison operator here. Okay, equal to, it checks whether these both x and y are equal or not. Okay, if both are equal, then returns the true. If they are not equal, then returns the false. So opposite to the equal is the not equal. Not equal can be written like this. These are all are relational operators. Okay, fine. Next, see, the point here is relation operators returns the 1. 1, this is nothing but a true. Okay, 0 is nothing but a false. In C, other than 0, I can say true. Whenever I found the 0, this is the false. Next, logical operators. So the logical operators are, we have here 3. Okay, one is logical AND operator. This is logical OR operator, and next third one is logical NOT operator. Okay, so this is called a logical NOT operator. What is the purpose of the logical operators? So when you like to combine one or more expressions, then I have to go for these logical operators. See here. See, logical NOT, which gives the logical NOT of 0, which gives the true. Sorry, 1. Logical NOT of 1 gives the result as 0. Okay. The purpose of these logical operators is to combine 2 or more expressions. Okay. See, in the, if you see this table, when I perform this logical AND operation, if both expressions are true, x and the y are true, then the result is true. Okay. In remaining cases, it is false. True, false, false, true, false, false. It is the false only. Means always to evaluate this entire expression of this, logical AND operation, all inputs means all the operands must be or expressions must be true here. They should return the true, then only the final result is true. And whereas the logical OR operator, okay, so the logical and we have to write using the double ampersand, and logical OR is written with the 2 pipe symbols. So in the logical OR operation, if any one is true, see here this x is the true, then the result is here it is true, and if this is the true, here it is also true, and here it is the true, here it is the true. Okay, if any one of the from the x and y is the true, that means any one of the expression is the true, then result is the true. Okay, in the remaining cases it is the false. That is the difference between the logical AND and logical OR. Okay, so programming example we'll see in the programming videos, but see, I give you something. I would like to find out the biggest number from the given 3 numbers. So how do I write a condition? Like if x greater than y, okay, and x greater than z, then I write x is big. Okay, so from the given 3 numbers x, y, z, what I am doing here is, this is the one condition, okay, one expression, this is the another expression. So I am combining these 2 expressions with the help of the here logical AND operator. Okay, fine. Now let's go to assignment operators. So these assignment operators are also known as the shorthand operators. What is the purpose of it is just only if you like to write in a simple way, this is useful. Like if there is an expression a equal to a plus 1, this can be written like this: a plus equal to 1, means here the variable here at the left hand side immediately after the equal, these both are the same. When these both are the same, this can be written in the short way, okay, a plus equal to 1. That's why we call it as a shorthand operator. Okay, so the same way, plus equal to, minus equal to, star asterisk equal to, forward slash equal to, percentage equal to, and left shift, right shift. You can apply this on relational, on arithmetic operators, and as well as bitwise operators. Okay, bitwise logical, bitwise OR, and bitwise exclusive OR. Next, increment or decrement operators. So these are unary operator, means which requires the only one operand. So plus plus is called a unary increment operator, and the minus minus is called a unary decrement operator. So like I can write simply x plus plus. So this plus plus required how many operands here? Only one operand. Okay, this x plus plus is nothing but this is equal to x equal to x plus 1. Okay, so just nothing but adds 1 to the variable x. And if I write something variable plus plus, this is called a post increment, because after the variable I have this symbol plus plus. If I write the plus plus before the variable, this is called a pre increment. I have the plus plus before the variable here. Okay, the same way post decrement and the pre decrement. See, variable minus minus, nothing but a post decrement. Minus minus variable is nothing but a pre decrement. Okay, next, conditional operator are also known as these operator are also known as ternary operators. Okay, so what is the general syntax for these conditional operators? This is expression 1, okay, question mark, then expression 2 colon expression 3 here. Okay, so Here, whenever this expression 1 is true, whenever expression 1 is true, then this expression 2 is evaluated. Whenever the expression 1 is false, then it evaluates the expression 3. Okay, this is like a alternative to the if else statement. Okay, we have a C conditional statements if else. Alternative to the if else statement is nothing but a this conditional operators, question mark and colon. Let's see here one example. For example, from the given two numbers, I would like to identify the minimum number. Okay, to identify that minimum number, what I do is, like I write using the if else. If x less than y, then minimum equal to x. Else minimum equal to y. So here I have the this if else statements. Instead of writing this if else, I can write the same program with the help of the conditional operators like this. Okay, so I can write like this, minimum equal to x less than y, question mark x colon y. Okay, for example, x is, let us assume 5 and the y is 10. So x is less than, so when this is the relational operator, what it happens, it returns the true. True is nothing but a what? 1. So when it is the true, then this x will be stored inside the minimum variable. So nothing but x is now value 5 is stored inside the min variable. Okay, for example, if the x value is the 50 and the y value is the 10, so when it is the 50 and the 10, this condition is the false. Whenever it is the false, y value is how much? 10 is stored inside the minimum variable. Like this, ternary operators are executed. Next, okay, now let us see a concept called bitwise operators. What are these bitwise operators? Using these operators, I can perform directly operations on bits. A bit level manipulation can be done with the help of this bitwise operators. What are the different operators we have inside it? Bitwise and, okay, bitwise or. See this 2 double ampersand, this is logical and, whereas this is logical or. Okay, this is the bitwise exclusive or operator and left shift operator, which is nothing but a multiply by power 2, and the right shift operator. And there is one more operator called ones complement operator, tilde symbol. Okay, so regarding these operators programs, we will see in the programming videos. So if you see the table here in the bitwise and, okay, so whenever all inputs are high, nothing but a 1, okay, high, or I can say it is true, okay, then the output is 1. In the remaining cases, the output is 0. Whereas in the logical, in the bitwise or, if any one of the input is high, here it is high, this is high, 1 1 1 1 1, in the remaining case it is 0. Whereas in the exclusive or, if all the inputs are zeros, or if all the inputs are ones, okay, then the output is 0. Remaining cases the output is 1 here. And the ones complement operator, what it does, just it converts the zeros to 1 and ones to zeros. Okay, then so this tilde is also known as a ones complement operator. Now the last one, special operators. What are these special operators? We have size of operator. Using this, I can find the size of the variables. And dot operator, called it as a period operator. This can be used inside the structures and the unions if you like to access the those structure are union elements. And one more operator is member reference operator. This is also used with the structures and the unions when we used along with the pointer concepts. Okay, regarding also we will see the programming examples in the programming videos along with the programs. So these are the different operators supported by the C language.